powerful, versatile, and efficient generator ideal for RV or home backup. This is the iGen 4500 DFC by Westinghouse, a powerful dual-fuel inverter generator producing up to 4,500 peak watts and 3,700 running watts. The heavy-duty Westinghouse engine, constructed with a durable cast-iron sleeve, will run up to 18 hours on a full tank of gasoline and can easily switch to liquid propane on the fly. The 18-hour runtime is made possible with advanced Westinghouse digital inverter technology, making only the power you need and converting it into a clean, technology-friendly power feed. That power is produced in a closed-frame design for exceptionally quiet operation. Power up with a host of outlet options, including 2 USB ports, 2 120-volt duplex household outlets, and the RV-ready 30-amp TT-30R outlet. The CO sensor detects high levels of carbon monoxide near the generator and shuts down when operating conditions are not safe. Features push-button start, a remote start key fob, and a smart LED data center to monitor power output, fuel levels, and remaining runtime. The iGen 4500 DFC generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.